Good morning, y'all. How's everybody doing? Oh my goodness. Come on. Okay, y'all. So what that was is I was just letting the little puppies go downstairs because they're going to bark the entire time if I don't. Okay. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, y'all. Y'all doing okay? I started to drink my coffee and I realized it is sitting here from yesterday. I forgot to make myself a cup of coffee, and that needs to go downstairs. Okay, so is everybody doing okay? I hope so. I shouldn't say that lightly because I know not everybody is doing okay. And I just want you to know that if you're having a not okay day, whether it's because of a tragedy or just because you are dried out on life right now, go to Jesus. He knows. He knows. He was here in the flesh, and he knows the physical pains of injury to the body when the body is stricken with something, and you know, everything that he endured on the cross. He knows the pain of the body. He knows suffering at a level that really we can't even understand, but he does know. And he knows emotional pain from being betrayed, not just by the people in general, but his very closest friends, all the way to John. Now, John did stay behind all the way to the cross, but still, everybody was afraid. And they were more afraid for their flesh and what would happen to them. And, you know, if you're going through just the pain of someone you love suffering, oh, the Lord knows your pain. He knows your pain. That's why he went to the cross. People are like, well, why didn't he just stop the pain? Pain would be eternal. Damnation for us sinners. Forever separated from God. Forever in agony. And that's why he said, I understand, and I'm going to the cross for them. I know some of you guys are like, I just tuned in for a makeup haul. Well, you needed this today, or you wouldn't have tuned in. I know that with all my heart. And it's a cross between two hauls. So let me go ahead and do the first one I'm going to do. This is me. Is my Plunder subscription. So I get my little, it comes in a pretty little Plunder box. And we already know it's going to be pretty packaging because it always is. But PlunderDesigns.com is where you can go and look for Jenny's Jewels and or Jewels by Jenny. I will do the a link below because I would love for my friend Jenny who sells this to be able to you know, it's just like if somebody sells Rodan and Fields or Mary Kay or Pampered Chef or whatever. I mean, it is their living at home. And so I'm not doing this for that, but I sure wouldn't mind. I'm doing this because I really did sign up for this subscription because I really do love the products that much. But I would love for her to get the benefit rather than y'all just go straight to the website and her not. So anyway, when you open it, here's all little beautiful boxes. Let's just get each one of them out. Okay, so I did not order this in the sense of pick it out. This is when you sign up $25 a month to be part of the the Plunder Posse. And then also gives you some little perk information. And I see a little picture of a necklace and bracelet. So I wonder if that's what I got. That is very pretty. Very on trend. Everything is very on trend. All right, again, this beautiful box. I love these kind of little melon colored flowers with some little olive green leaves. And it's just really pretty. It's just pretty. And this is called Kyler. And I'm wondering, how do they make sure that you didn't already buy it? I wonder if I will get some that I already bought. And again, when you first open it, it's like a little pillow in here with a little, see, it's so pretty the way that the trouble they go to. And yet they're being very sustainable. This is really just a piece of paper. And what I can do, in case this is something I already have, is it? It is. Okay, so I'm going to slide this back in there and let this be a gift. But I'll show you what it is. I have already bought this one before. Or did I order this one? No, this is a part of my Plunder. This is my Plunder. Gosh, this is so pretty. Wait a minute. I didn't get this one. Or did I? Yes, this is the one. Okay. So what I love about this is my favorite link on a chain. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's just a little disc. It's very popular and on trend right now. So that's part of the necklace. But then just to kind of wake it up a little bit, it's got these pretty little, they're little enameled teardrops is what they look like to me. And, hold on, this is, there. There's blue, pink, kind of a goldenrod yellow, black, red, blue, pink. And it's just, I don't know, can you see that really well? Look how it's some nice swing. And it hangs right at the collar line, right about there. And that is so pretty. Oh, now I know. I remember what I did. I got this for a friend. And this must be... Did I place another order, or is this my Plunder Posse? I think this is my Plunder Posse Plus. I got this order. I don't know. But either way, I have one of these, and I'm going to slide this, since I didn't break this seal, I am going to slide this right back in there. So it'll be a pretty... I just think that the opening experience is part of the gift. And my boss does this beautifully. She always gives me the prettiest gift bags. They're really unusual, more than what your typical gift bag. And she always does lots of tissue paper. Like, she must buy 5 things of tissue paper. And it's always pretty tissue paper. Like, it has gold shinies on it, or it has little designs on it, or it has, and then she'll put big old bows that she makes out of twine and raffia, and then add a piece of ribbon for the season. Like if it's for Christmas, she'll put in some red and green ribbon. And she just goes to so much trouble. My mother used to do that. She would go to so much trouble to wrap something. Do y'all know anybody who does that? Are you a person that does that? I want to be a person that does that, because can I tell you, when people go to the trouble, it is a very nice opening experience. It does somehow make the gift feel a little more precious. So I'm going to put this back in there, because this is going to be somebody's opening experience. Okay. This is one of the boxes I've gotten before. It's one of my favorites. This is the one that's got the real pretty little purple ivy. Let's open it. There's the little pillow. And this is Primrose Tin. And I do not believe I've gotten this. So this must be the, just in case, I'm going to let it slide out. So that's a little trick, by the way. In case you've ordered something that you want to be a gift, but you want to see it, you can reach down in there, just on the end, and pull the little... Oh, yes, this is the ring. I really wanted this ring, y'all. I think that is just a pretty ring. It's just a basic, y'all. Isn't that pretty? It's just a black, it looks like black onyx is what it looks like on 24 karat gold. Because it's a little more brassy. But I just wanted it for a 4-finger ring. Or maybe a middle finger ring. Or maybe actually be able to give her my poor little sick hand. So I ordered a 10. Where I've injured that knuckle and I've yet to have it rebroken. And I just don't want to go through hand surgery. But I'm going to have to. But that will fit, because it's actually slippery on that finger. So it's going to fit over that finger. It's just a ring I could wear on that finger. So, and I think it's really pretty. Primrose, number 10, and it's got like little curls in the design that also have the black enamel in them. It's a very pretty costume piece of jewelry, and I know I have very pale hands. I don't know if y'all think that's pretty to have something that brassy and also gold on pale hands, but I like it. But especially if you're olive toned, that'd be very pretty. But this is definitely for me. You know, it's sized for me and everything, so that is not going to be a gift. And then this one, this is Plunder Posse. This is the Plunder Posse. That's funny. Oh, I know what. I think when you do your Plunder Posse, you can place additional items. I think I did to sign up. That's what it was. I signed up and I got 2 items, and it said, do you want to sign up for the Plunder Posse? So I did it all at once. That's why. Normally what you will do is you'll just get your monthly subscription box. And so it could be anything. It could be a couple of things together that add up to 25, or one, again, a really pretty box. Very nicely pillowed. Let's just see what I got. There it is. I'm just going to tear it. Okay. It is the picture. It is this picture, and I really do like it. It's what the girl. So you obviously you will get a picture of what it is. This is a necklace with some multicolored beads, little pendant piece, and then a matching bracelet, and I'll show that to you in just a minute. And then it says length of subscription and what you get. So if you got a 3-month, you get $20 promo code. 6 months, you get a $30 promo code. 9 months, you get a $50 promo code. And 12 months, you get a $75 product promo code plus a free gift. And I did a year. I just want to have a year subscription. So I get $75 promo code, $75 off, and a free gift. It's only $25 a month, and that includes tax and shipping. It usually includes 1 to 3 pieces, on-trend pieces. They're always limited quantity, so you can gift it to yourself or you can gift it to others. You can be a trendsetter because you have the latest trend. But it's also just a nice little surprise for $25 a month. Okay, so here is the necklace. It's a pretty chain. It's not just a regular bead chain. It's got little, what do you call this? It's got the elongated tube. Can y'all see that? And then 3 little beads. And look at that pretty, oh my gosh, that'll be so pretty on yellow or black. That really pop on red. That is a beautiful little pendant. Beautiful. And then also, it has what looks like a matching, I thought it was matching earrings, but it's matching bracelet. So a piece like this, sometimes you don't want to be too matchy-matchy. So if you have earrings, bracelet, and necklace, make one of them not. Like, wear the earrings with some other outfit and a gold chain. Or in this case, this is really pretty, y'all. I love the bracelet, especially. It's 4 of those. And it's on a delicate, I mean, not too delicate. It's not going to hurt. I could almost slide that on. I can. I love it. Look at it on, y'all.